Hi kids, my name is Andrew,
Sandy.
Beth. I'm Brooke.
and today we're going to talk about the digestive system.
Yes.
That's right, that 12-hour cycle involving chewing and all other kinds of fun stuff is going to happen right here with our little prop design.
So the first step of digestion is mastication. And that is when you chew up your food. Yeah, you chew it up really good. That's great. Wow. Anyways, looks like that. And then you have salivation. And that is saliva. And it has enzymes that help break up the food. You're right, that is easier.
And this is what happens in real life bodies. See how that helps?
Once you've masticated your food and the food enters the mouth,
No.
it travels down the oropharynx, the laryngopharynx, and the pharynx. And once your food is swallowed, there's no turning back. It's all involuntary from there.
That's right, Brooke. Because when you get to the esophagus, the food only has one way of going, and it goes down. It's going to go all the way down to the esophagus sphincter. The esophagus sphincter is a muscle, and it only opens when it's relaxed. Now, it opens and relaxes when the food and liquid both actually meet at the site. The muscle opens and allows the food to go inside the Pepsi bottle, which is the stomach.
Now the stomach's really cool because it's divided into two sections, the upper part and the lower part. The upper part relaxes to help food enter the stomach, and the lower part helps aid in digestion. Now, this is where it meets with hydrochloric acid and an enzyme called pepsinogen. There we go. And now it's going to exit the stomach.
This whole process of the food mixture and the enzyme mixtures is no longer called food, but is now chyme.
Woo!
Now it goes into the small intestine.
Yes, that's right. Look how that gross that is.
Nice.
That's great.
That's awesome.
Now the small intestine also helps in actually aiding and taking the parts of the chyme, right? However, it has a key ingredient. Notice the paper clips in the small intestine. Now the paper clips are actually lines up the walls of the small intestine. These paper clips symbolize microvilli. Microvilli and your small intestine actually extracts the nutrients from the small intestine, right? And it leads all the way to the bloodstream.
Nice.
Yeah.
So don't forget about the accessory organs. There's the liver, the pancreas, and the gallbladder. The pancreas is what produces a lot of the enzymes that we just talked about. And the liver, that's where you're gonna store your fats and, oh, this is disgusting.
It really is.
And you're gonna produce the bile that digests the fats and, yeah.
Don't forget that the liver also filters out toxins.
You're right.
Hey, and don't forget to tell them about the gallbladder.
Hey, I was getting there. So the gallbladder, that is going to store, your liver is going to send that bile to the gallbladder, and the gallbladder is going to store it there. And when the gallbladder contracts, that's when the bile goes into the large intestine.
Once the nutrients are extracted from the small intestines, it pushes through the large intestine. Inside this organ, water is then absorbed from the indigestible food matter, and all the matter not absorbed is commuted down the colon into the rectum.
Yeah.
Oh. Now the rectum's going to send a signal to the brain to get the sphincter to relax, and there, that's where the magic happens.
That's gross, isn't it?
That's pretty gross.
But this is actually what happens in your body.
Yes.
So I really do hope you enjoy this fascinating contraption for showing you the digestive system. I hope this helps you understand your own body.
Thanks
Thank
for
you.
watching. Bye.